Okay, so yeah, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and yeah, good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And I would just like to have an update. And I recorded this at exactly, yeah, it's midnight of November 12th, and still we don't have an electricity. So, been using a candle right there. See that? And let's have more lively light, okay? Here. Okay, so there's our smokes around. Okay, so I don't have I think I put some videos or vlogs lately about Inktober, and also some of shorts that I have on my channel. So maybe you already see that. Yep, you already see that. So just an update. I am located. Our place was located here in the Philippines, specifically in Negros Occidental, which is part of the Visayas Island. So we are the one who is directly affected by the Typhoon Tino. I just forget the international name of the typhoon. So we called it here in the Philippines as Bagyong Tino or Typhoon Tino. And then after how many, I think it's just 1 day or 2 days only after the very devastating typhoon here, on November 4. After that, there's already another typhoon, a super typhoon. Yeah, that's the super typhoon that also affect us, not so disastrous here in our part in Visayas. But still, it's a super typhoon which can, if you can really see it on our map or on the satellite, you can see that it can even engulf the whole Philippines. Yep, the whole country of the Philippines. So it's very big. It's even bigger than Yolanda. So we are really affected right now, not just by the disastrous effects of the typhoon, but also with this one. We don't have an electricity. Okay? So start from the midnight. Hey baby. It's our dog. So started November 3 at exactly, I think that's 11:50 p.m. The lights are out because that is the time when Bagyong Tino or Typhoon Tino hits the area. Yeah. So it started to wash out all of our electrical posts, all the wirings that connected our electric supply here in our place, and yeah, it cuts down our electrical supplies, so or energy. So we don't have an electricity right now. So start from November 4. Yeah, let's just go start from number 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and today is the 12th, which is the ninth day that we don't have an electricity. So if you are asking why I can upload this, because I'll just go to the house of my sister-in-law and also with the house of my mother, because that is the first places that was restored in power. So every night we will go there just to have a charge with our cell phones, our power banks, our flashlights, and everything that we need here in our house. And yeah, even our power bank for our Wi-Fi, which that's the reason why I can upload videos. But I cannot really make very let's say a normal or formal content just like this one, which is not very normal because I'm just using the lights of a flashlight. Yeah, I will let you see it. Yeah, this is the only light that I have right here. So yeah, so it's very unfortunate for us that we don't have the electricity. So that's why I don't have any uploads yet. So I understand for those persons who already unsub me, So maybe they saw on my channel that, or they see in my channel that I don't have an uploads. Even shorts, maybe the last time that I have shorts is November 11. Yeah, and I still don't have any shorts that I can upload today. And even videos, because I'm planning to end the Inktober uploads of my digital drawings before I go back to the Gunpla and other things, or other vlogs that I can make here on my man cave, which right now literally it's like a cave because it doesn't have any light. So yeah, I hope you understand my time today, or the situation, the time of the situation of our of the vlogging part of my life, because I don't have this um luxury right now of electricity. So yeah, but I promise you that after this I will be back strong, and I will go back to my daily, not daily, but yeah, the usual vlogs and lives that I can do here, because yeah, I really want to build another gunpla that I really want to build here, but I cannot do it because when I build, I go live, because just to show you the details of the gunpla. And also on my digital drawing, I cannot make a progress on the last, I think I only have last 4 days, the last four topics for my Inktober. I cannot do it properly because of also out of electricity, because when I'm using my tablet, maybe I can just draw it, and then after that I cannot edit it. Yeah, I cannot edit it because of the lack of electricity, because after that maybe my tablet will go down or will out of battery. So yeah, very unfortunate. But still, if the electricity will go back, then yeah, I will really go back strong with this vlogging part of my life. Okay? So I hope you understand, but I also understand for those people who um let's say unsub, or they stop the support on my channel because of this one. But yeah, I also updated it on my shorts, but maybe some of the people doesn't also know the situation here, because some of the viewers here on my channel doesn't know where I belong or where is my place. So again, I'm placed here in the Philippines, and I'm one of the people who was, or one of the families that were affected here in our during the Typhoon Tino and the Typhoon Uwan. So I think that's it. That's just, it's just an update. Okay, so I would just like to add, we're just for me, we're just affected by electricity. But for food and location or staying or house, there's no problem for us for that. But for those people who was very affected for the typhoon, I hope all of those people will cope up, and also they will rise again for the time that was just happened, the unfortunate events that was happened here in our place. I hope everyone will come back strong and still fight for the next part of their lives. I know there are some lives that was lost, um, properties, even cars. Here in Visayas, specifically in Cebu City, there is a flood, but they flood cars. Yeah, there's so many questions about the flooding right now in Cebu, because it's not natural to have floods like that. Here in our place, there's no flood, but we are very affected with the falling of trees, the cutting of lines of electrical wires of electrical lines, and also some people right here was their houses was destroyed by this catastrophe. So again, I hope everyone will cope up and rise again and have a normal life again. So this is just an update for, yeah, for my situation as a vlogger. But for as a human, I no, there's no problem for me. Okay, for a individual, there's no problem because I can still have charging. It's just that I'm so very limited with the electricity supply, because after this one, this flashlight, it's newly charged, but after that tomorrow morning or afternoon, it will go out of power again, and I need to charge it again to the house of my mother, and also with our cell phones. Even the cell phone that I'm using today, I think it's only 35% only. So yeah, so if I will edit this, yeah, I think I will just upload this row. Yeah, I just gonna put my logo and my intro, and then after that, just gonna upload it row. We'll go back very dark again. Yeah, very dark. So I would like to let you see my place. It's just very very dark, man. See that? Yeah, you can still see it because we have a light. As you can see that dark part right there, that's our sala. That's yeah, right here. Yeah, and that's my light right there. That's my only source of light for tonight. And yeah, that's it. That's the situation. And the candle that I have. That's it. And stay safe, everyone. And I hope we will all come back and rise again strong. That's it. So, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening. Okay, I just forgot my spiel again. So, that's it. Thank you so much. So, yeah, if you still like it and continue to support my channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification button for our next videos. Okay? So, that's it. So, thank you so much for watching, and good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gampla Show. And all of my other segments sign off. See you next time, guys. When the question is when will be the power will go back, or will energize our light right here. That's it. Thank you and peace out. Bye. Stay safe. Okay. Bye bye.